Today I am going to teach you how to make a battery power bank for a phone. So the items you need are a phone, its charger, 9 or 12 volts battery. Best is 12 volts battery, its connector. In the car, you can ask your parents, do they have this type of thing to put in car? Put in car to charge the phone. See, it looks exactly like this. At the bottom you can press, the sides you can press too. Then a switch, extra wire. Then you can get these type of clips in an electric shop. You can get with a screw type, or you can get with a hole. So it's almost 1 inch big. It's almost 1 inch big. You need one red and one black. Okay. So now let's start. So let's take the battery first. It's connector. Okay, it's connector. Then you can see the red color wire, red, black and red. In that, take the red and take the switch. Put it in any hole, just twist it. Okay. And now after you put it, then make a hook type and just press it or twist it. Okay, now take the extra wire, twist it same as that, hold it tightly, then now do it like this. Okay, now this was done. So now let's take both the clip. So black color you can put it anywhere in the sides. You can see this, right? This one you can put over there. Don't put the black color over here. Put it over here, and the red color over here. Okay. The extra wire connected with the switch should go in the red. Okay, in the red. Okay, now put it in. Okay. Now this one done. The black color, the extra wire connected over here, right? Put it in the black color one. Okay, we're done. Twist this a little more. And put this a little more in, or else it would come out. Okay, now check if it's on. You might have a red color light like this. So now let us put it in the phone. Take the USB, put it in the port, connect it to the phone. Okay, now let's on it. Now can you see charging symbol over here? See, can you see charging symbol beside the 16%? See. Thanks for watching my video.